Good morning, Priya. I'm really enjoying this calm start of the day because I can simply sit, sip my tea, and talk with you without rushing anywhere.
Good morning, Aman. I'm feeling relaxed too. It's nice that we can just sit comfortably and focus on our conversation instead of running around.
I usually check my phone first thing, but today I'm choosing to talk first because it keeps my mind fresh.
That's a healthy choice. I'm trying to keep mornings quiet, so I'm leaving my notifications aside while we chat.
I like that we are starting slowly. It gives space to think about our plans clearly.
Yes, we are creating a small routine of calm talking, which makes the whole day better.
Tell me, how is your work schedule shaping up today?
It's fairly simple. I'm planning to finish 2 reports before lunch, so I'll stay focused here at the desk.
I have 3 calls, but apart from that, I'm free. So I'm glad I don't need to leave this chair much.
That sounds balanced. We are both arranging our day so it stays light.
Exactly. And talking like this is helping me prepare mentally for tasks.
Same here. Calm conversation sets a positive tone.
Do you often start your day by speaking in English like this?
Not always, but I try because it keeps my fluency active.
I'm realizing that steady practice without standing up or acting still builds confidence.
Yes, we don't need dramatic movement. Only thoughtful sentences matter.
I'm enjoying how natural present tense feels in such talks.
And we're also training ourselves to speak a little longer each time.
By the way, how is your new laptop performing these days?
It's working smoothly. I'm happy I invested in a better screen since I sit here for hours.
That's great. I'm thinking of upgrading mine soon, but I'm still comparing models.
Take your time. Buying something we use daily needs patience.
Absolutely. I prefer waiting rather than making a quick choice.
Same. Calm decisions save money and stress.
What kind of background sound do you like while working?
I like light instrumental music because it lets me stay seated and focused.
I prefer silence. It helps me listen to my thoughts clearly.
Silence is nice, but soft music sometimes makes repetitive work pleasant.
True, both depend on mood and task.
Exactly. Today, I'll keep it silent so I can hear our talk properly.
Before we switch topics, I'm glad we spent 6 minutes calmly discussing our morning.
Yes, and we're still using present tense naturally while staying comfortable.
It shows that language practice doesn't require standing or moving around.
Right. A steady posture keeps the focus on words.
Yesterday, I stayed at home the entire day because I wanted quiet time.
I did the same. I watched an old film while sitting on the sofa, and it felt peaceful.
In the afternoon, I read some articles about health and learned new tips.
I was cleaning my inbox at that moment. It was boring but satisfying once done.
We both spent our Sunday in a calm way.
Exactly. A still day sometimes refreshes more than an outing.
Did you speak with any of your friends yesterday evening?
Yes, I called Ria. We were laughing for almost an hour without leaving our chairs.
That sounds nice. I chatted online with my cousin while sipping tea.
Conversations like those keep bonds alive even on lazy days.
True, we don't need to travel to feel connected.
Absolutely calm talks give warmth.
Last week we worked late. Do you remember how tired we were?
Of course, we were handling calls until midnight.
But after finishing, we felt proud of the effort.
Yes, that memory reminds me that steady work finally pays off.
I appreciate how we supported each other then.
Same here. Teamwork made the stress lighter.
When we were students, we often studied like this, just sitting and discussing chapters.
I remember we explained answers aloud to check understanding.
That method still works because speaking out clarifies ideas.
True, even without standing, our focus stayed strong. And
Simplicity often brings best learning.
patience keeps motivation alive.
Yesterday, the weather turned cloudy suddenly.
Yes, I was writing an email when rain started.
I stayed inside and watched it from the window.
Same, I kept working while enjoying the sound.
Past continuous fits those calm moments.
Right, grammar helps us describe them clearly.
We've covered many past examples already.
Yes, and we stayed comfortable through all of them.
Now let's plan what we will do later today.
Good idea. Future tense will suit that. Go ahead.
After finishing work, I will simply rest on the sofa and read.
I will probably make light snacks and watch a short video.
Will you join a quick online quiz tonight?
Maybe if my tasks end on time.
I'll remind you so you don't forget.
Thanks. Reminders always help.
By dinner time, I will have completed my emails.
And I will have checked all documents.
We will then enjoy quiet evening tea.
I like that plan. Tea talks calm the mind.
Simple plans work best when days are busy.
Yes, balance is everything.
Are you thinking about weekend plans?
I might invite cousins over. We will just sit and chat.
That sounds pleasant. I'll probably read novels at home.
Or you could visit for an hour. We won't move much, only talk.
I'll decide based on my reading list.
Either way, you'll enjoy a calm break.
We have already spoken for 16 minutes today.
Yes, and our sentences are getting longer naturally.
We've practiced present, past, and future, all while sitting still.
That shows language grows with steady focus.
I feel proud of this progress.
Me too. We should keep it up.
By the end of this month, we will have improved a lot.
Definitely. We're building confidence daily.
We will continue using English in our talks.
And we will keep them peaceful like this.
Calmness keeps learning enjoyable.
I completely agree.
I was thinking about how fast this week has gone.
True. It feels like we just started Monday, and now it's almost over.
Have you planned anything for the weekend?
I might visit my cousin if she's free, otherwise, I'll stay home and read.
Yesterday, I almost went to the park, but the weather changed suddenly.
I remember. The sky turned dark so quickly. I was watching from my balcony. Are you still working on that new coding project?
Yes, I've been writing scripts since last night. By tomorrow, I'll have finished half.
That's impressive. While you were working, I was binge watching a documentary series.
Which one?
It's about space travel. I love how they explain future missions.
I'll check it out. I've always wanted to understand how astronauts prepare. Do you remember when we first met?
Of course, at the library. You were searching for a programming book.
Yeah, and you had already borrowed it, so I had to wait.
If I hadn't taken it, maybe we wouldn't have started talking.
That's right. Our friendship has grown a lot since then.
And we'll probably laugh about these moments even years later. I've been practicing speaking English daily. It's helping me feel more confident.
Same here. I'm trying to include new phrases whenever I talk.
Have you noticed any improvement in your fluency?
Definitely. Yesterday, I spoke for 10 minutes without pausing.
Wow, that's great. If you keep doing that, you'll be fluent soon.
I hope so. I'll keep challenging myself with longer sentences. What are you planning to cook tonight?
Maybe pasta? I've already chopped vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Last night, I made soup, and it turned out better than expected.
You're improving your cooking skills day by day.
Thanks. By next month, I'll probably master 2 or 3 dishes.
I'll taste them and give you a proper review. Do you think we'll still be chatting like this every evening next year?
Absolutely. Unless one of us gets too busy, which I doubt.
Even if we get busy, we'll find time. Talking keeps us relaxed.
I agree. Conversations like this clear my head after a long day.
Same here. I've enjoyed every minute we've shared today.
Me too. And tomorrow, we'll talk even more smoothly.